Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are watching funny Python series. In this particular lesson, in this particular project, I am going to show you how to create a weight converter. Now, what is a weight converter, guys? So I know it's very easy for you to search in Google and find out convert the weight into multiple other segments, but creating your own app using Python is something pretty interesting, and it's a pretty interesting project. So weight conversion means to multiply the value of a unit with the standard conversion value. So in this project, I will take you through how to create a weight converter GUI using Tkinter, obviously with Python programming language. The standard weight conversion. So let me the standard weight conversion formulas. There are ton loads of formulas which are available. You can pick it up from Google, and or you can convert that straight away if you have it restored in your mind. So for example, 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 gram, and 1 centigram equal to 0.01 gram. Same way, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So all this, and for example, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So how do you convert all this? It's very difficult to remember everything, right? Now, this particular line of code, about 35-40 lines, I think, yeah, 38 lines of code. So this is basically a simple app where you run the program, you insert the weight, and it will convert into multiple other variations. So it's all run through Tkinter app, and I'm creating the widgets here and converting all those values. It's as simple as that, guys. So let me just quickly run this program and show you how it works. All right, let me run, and there you can see this beautiful window. You can modify the colors of this window, and the look and feel, everything can be done in this app, guys. It's pretty interesting. Now input the weight in kilogram, let's say 50. Okay, now I click convert, and there you go, it converts into gram, pound, and ounces, right? So you can do ton loads of other things, say 43, convert, there you go. So this works perfect. Now the most interesting aspect is how you are going to convert this particular project with your own thought process, how you are going to be more imaginative and build your own code to make this application more interactive, more gamified, and stuff. All right, guys. So use this code. Do reach out to me. I can schedule one-on-one with you guys and walk you through line by line. I can help you build these kind of projects more and more. All right. Goodbye, and see you soon in the next lesson.